Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix routine game crashing or not launching or not loading, lagging, black screen, freezing or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working now. If it doesn't resolve, come back, delete the launch option and then move to the next solution. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapters. Select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now go to the game application, select the game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and then select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If this also doesn't resolve, come back, deselect all of these, click on apply and OK and then move to the next solution. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. Now after that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, here you have to search for the game. Now after that, select the game, click on both public and private boxes and then click on OK and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, Steam users, click on Steam option over here. Now click on settings. Now click on in-game and here if enable the Steam overlay while in-game option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on downloads, go below and here you can see clear download cache. Beside is clear cache option. Click on it and you will get a pop-up which will state this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. So after you confirm it, you have to log into Steam once again and then try to launch the game and check whether it is working now. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, go through the link I have already given in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below, click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Now open it. You will get repair or install option. So whatever you get, click on it, either repair, either install and wait for some time unless you get a setup successful message. Now close this. Once you close this, restart your system. After restarting, again log into the game and check whether you can play the game or not. If not, next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled such as Nvidia Shadow Player or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option and this will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for view advanced system settings, click on advanced, now click on settings, click on advanced, then click on change. Now here you have to select the game drive where your game has been installed. Now after selecting it, click on custom size. In the initial size type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. Once done, launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. After that, click on add desktop app and you have to add the game to the list. Now after you add the game to the list, here you have to click on arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall routine game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your system. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch Steam and reinstall routine game once again and click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.